I'm a visual artist who works primarily in sculpture, some painting, installation. So I was doing a residency in Miami through Mana Contemporary, and I thought people are coming to Miami for Basel and Miami Art Week, and there's all of these pop-up installations, but what do I even have to say right now? And I thought about that for a minute, and I just thought, oh my God, I'm just so tired. It's like, all I can think about is how tired I am of just working so hard, and for what, and what does it mean, and I can't stop, and I'm addicted to it. And so I didn't want to climb a ladder that felt really easy, but to climb climbing a wall. A wall of what? It was like a wall of like tools and art towards some like surreal realm of success. Was moldable like clay, and so you could apply a wet mix directly to the wall or over some wire mesh, which is what we did, and you could build out 4 or 5 inches, and the material was so lightweight that you didn't have a sag. It really felt like a sculpey or plastilina. Also, I learned you could carve into it and affect it as a relief as well, because it was very soft as it was curing. So it cures really hard, but there's a long work time before a full cure. So after 4, 6, 10 hours, you can still manipulate the material in a variety of ways. And the color content was also incredible. They had like a Benjamin Moore like array of colors, like the rainbow of colors. this project was very challenging because I only had 3 days to execute the installation, and I didn't have a huge amount of time to play with the material. The whole thing was conceived of in about 3 weeks. But that said, it was amazing to kind of learn from the technicians who were developing it what the material was capable of, what happened if you added a certain percentage of accelerant or not. And you know, sometimes I would refuse the advice and just do things wrong, and then kind of learn for myself. And I found the material to be incredibly forgiving, and the advice from the technicians to be incredibly rich, and they were very available and accessible. So every step of the way, if I had problems with the process, there was some other way around it. There was a workaround, there was a solution. They'd run into this before. So it was really, I mean, luckily I have a few bags left over because I just want to keep playing with this stuff and figuring out what you can do with it, what it's capable of.